Yeah, 50 here. After we get through this intersection, we're going to make a left lane change when it's safe. So you could put your left signal on so the traffic in this lane behind you stays behind you. Manage your speed. You could slow down to let those cars in the left lane, but keep your left signal on though. There, see how he's leaving a gap for you? He's letting you in. That signal works like magic sometimes. Then we're going to turn left at the lights here. Awesome, we'll use this lane. A little over to the, there we go, so you're not on top of that white line. Little more space in case he backs up. See, he's past the stop line. He might back up because he's blocking the crosswalk.
He's blocking a crosswalk too.
And if you look in this mirror, do you see that white line? The white line.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you couldn't see it, that would mean you're too far to the right. Yep, we got one last thing to do. That's the one ways.
Yeah, I figured that. Am I going to take Chloe the same route?
No, you can take her a different route. She's like more in the south end, so for the highway driving,
could always go south to.
Yeah, I'll think about that.
Yeah, try to plan out the route.
Okay.
Plan out the route, and I'll just tell her what she's doing.
Like I said, I just make it up as I go.
Yeah.
You know. What color is the light? So I'm looking like way down the road, and if you see the lights red, you just coast. You can take your foot off the gas. When safe, we'll make a left lane change, just for practice. You're at 60. So that was pretty good. The girl behind you was going a little over 60. But I don't think you cut her off. I don't think you forced her foot to go to the brake unnecessarily. You're going to make a right lane change when you're ready. When it's safe, when it's legal.
Drops to 50 here. Or not 50 something.
Got a new building under the water tower there. They're almost done.
That new building they're building up on the hill?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, but no, there's another one over off Brady. If you can see it as you go around the corner of Brady. It looks like people are saying it looks like a prison because it's got the high tower in the middle. The elevator shaft.
The elevator shaft, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're building a panopticon.
Yeah.
We're going to keep going straight at the lights here. And then a right turn at these traffic lights. You take your turn behind the line here. And assessing the situation. Yeah, see, it's best to wait now because she's already in the crosswalk. Once they reach the solid median, then you can proceed. You can start rolling forward so the guy behind you doesn't honk at you. And then that's good enough. We'll make a left lane change. Not over the crosswalk. Okay. We're turning left at the lights. Flashing green light means go. That's your advanced green. If it stops flashing, you lost your advanced green. They're going to start rolling forward.
Yeah.
Can you see the white line in this mirror?
It's kind of too close.
Too close, right?
Too far over.
So just deal with it for now. But always make sure that you get away from that white line though. Crosswalk's clear. Yellow lines divide traffic going in opposite directions. The way the cars are parked on each side of the road shows you you're on a two-way street. And we'll keep going straight here. Which way are we going to go at the next stop sign? Left. How do you know? Okay, yeah. The way the cars are parked. The arrow, yeah. See, and the two stop signs both backwards. Lots of clues to show you which lane to turn into. Signal left. And correct choice of lane, okay. Okay. He was in forward motion. I thought he'd keep going. We're going to turn left here. Correct choice of lane. Left turn at the lights. Traffic lights on that side, but there's no traffic lights on that side. What does that tell you?
One way this one?
One wave flow of traffic, yeah. Awesome. Let's make a right lane change because there's no parked cars on the right side. You're further away from doors opening that way. Choosing the lane of least resistance. Now we'll turn right here at the stop sign. Right blind spot check here. That's way too far away from the parked vehicles. We're going to turn left.
My parallel parked quite far out too.
Yeah. But she didn't have to go around him that far.
No.
No, right lane change. Right turn at the lights. Stop. Yellow light. Proceed when with caution, checking over your right blind spot and left again. We'll turn left. Is there a stop sign here? Okay. Then a right turn at the traffic lights. Sharp right. Right turn at the lights.